I think from our point of view, it was probably confidence in cost. This is the fourth house that we've built, and we had a pretty clear view of what's involved in the build process. So for us, it was all about making sure we got a quality product at a cost that we knew we could afford. So those were the two most important things. And I think within a couple of minutes of us first meeting Tim, we basically got a good sense of confidence that we could get a quality product at the cost that we wanted.
We didn't see you as being a builder or a client, it was a partnership for us, and we felt that you built an amazing product for us to live in.
Yeah, I agree. I think it was, for us it was about building a home, and I think for Tim and David it was building a quality product.
It was very good. To start off with, we used the Co-Construct software, which Tim loaded up all the things that we needed to put in, what our preferences were for all our kitchenware and all our bathroom goods and things like that. So
yeah, that was a huge one. That was a big one for us actually, which we haven't used in any of the other builds as well. Just it was very, very clear exactly what was going to be done at what point and the prices associated with each one. So in terms of an expectations management tool, it was brilliant in that it basically answered all our questions before we even had them. If there's any sort of questions or issues, it was more around having a conversation with you guys about it, and I don't think there was anything during the process where there was an escalation or an issue that didn't get resolved within a short amount of time. So very open, focused, and very friendly. Yeah, definitely. Already have. So I've already recommended Mass Constructions to field my work colleagues, and it all comes down to what we've said before, trust. We trusted you guys with the process, and Mass Construction delivered. And if we were to build again, we would use Mass Constructions again, just because of that. We trust the process, and we trusted Tim and David.
The after-sales service has been amazing. If we've had any issues, that come up while we've been living here in later months or whatever, we've just sort of sent a message, and they've always come over and helped us out and fixed it. No questions. Good.
I think the other thing is I'd probably look at getting Tim or David involved in the process, during the design phase as well, because they provided some good advice during that stage, which helped us in our build and obviously helped us manage some of our cost and even some of the design considerations.
Trust.
Confidence.